Air India has said that the government has agreed on its plan to cut costs to save the faltering airline. Air India officials today met officials from the Civil Aviation Ministry and presented the bailout plan for the airline. Air India's CMD Arvind Jadhav said the government has told them to come out with a concrete plan and ensure that the initiatives of Air India are realistic and vetted by financial experts. He added that the focus of the bailout plan is on revenue generation and cost cutting.
About what action NACL is doing and what action government is doing, and that's it.
So can you tell us some of the proposals that you put forward as far as cost cutting, etc. is concerned? Because all focus right now is on that.
The focus is on revenue generation and cost reduction, and the government is very clearly saying that we have to come out with a very concrete plan detailing this and what every month we are going to do, and unless we come out with a detailed plan, which we had submitted a plan, this one, but they're saying they want much more details on that one, and they want to make sure that the initiatives of the Air India are realistic.
So this was the first FUTS meeting. Is this a roadmap for the 6 months ahead, or this is overall for restructuring Air India? This particular meeting today.
To know what all components have to be put into the entire roadmap for turnaround, and which are the components on which we need to work around. And it is a balance sheet exercise, it is financial restructuring, it is equity infusion, it is about cost cutting, it is about reduction of interest, and it's about efficiencies. So all these issues are there. So that has to be put into plan, and that has to be vetted by somebody else. A third party realistic view has to be taken.
So but this meeting, how would you say? Did you think it was inclusive, or do you think many more such meetings are going to happen in the future? Or was this the final meeting before
No.
it goes to the end?
This is not the final meeting. This is not the final meeting, because now finance ministry, other departments have to give their opinion and all that. So we expect maybe it may take about another month or so before we really get the package through.
Was the meeting a success, you'd say? Today's meeting was a success?
As I'm concerned, the government has given me the backing, saying that they are with me, and they would like to make sure that the turnaround plan is successful. They are only asking for certain information. So we'll get that information, and finance ministry will look into it.